Hey guys, this is Tornado Right this end. Today I will show how you will use Google font in your HTML and CSS website. So this is our default fonts given by the CSS system and HTML system. So this is our window, and now we will go to the Visual Studio Code. There I have written the codes, and now I will show how you will use the Google fonts. So first we will have to go to the type Google Fonts, get into the site. Now you can either choose a font from scrolling down, or you may search here like sans serif. There is no font sans, like we will use this one, work sans. Now you have to choose the styles, like I will choose the thinnest style, and I will choose the bold font and a medium size font. So now you have to go here, and already I had chosen two more fonts earlier. So now when you go here and you see the link, copy this link and go to the Visual Studio Code. Below the link that you have added to add the CSS file into the HTML file, paste it below the link tag. So I have pasted it below the link tag, and now we have to do one more thing, that you have to copy this font family and you have to paste it inside the universal tag. Now here is something to tell you, but before that we'll go to our site, and you can see the font is changed, but it is not looking very good. So what can we do? We can change it if we want. Like we'll go in another font. You can use any other font you like DM Sans, and let me choose this one, DM Sans. So I will delete these ones and copy the link tag in the same way and paste it here. And one more thing, that is the font family, and I will use it here inside the font family, and we'll see how does it look like. Now it is changed, you can see it is changed. So there is the important thing. Now I'm going to tell you that we have used the font family inside the universal tag. The universal tag means that all the styles you will give to this HTML site, that will be when you give the style in the universal tag, like something I am showing, like transition. If you give transition 0.5 second, this 0.5 second will be applied on every style you will give to this site. So as now we have used the font family in the universal tag, so every text has got the same font style. So now if you say that I don't want to use all the fonts, same fonts in the whole website, then you have to use it in different options. Like if I target the H1, now you will see when I refresh, you will see that now it has gone to the previous version. So now I want to the next paragraph, the next p tag, that will change into this font. So I will not put it into the universal tag, rather I will put it into the p, and font family will be this. So now you can see the font family of the paragraph that has changed. Now if you want the font family to be changed of the H1 tag, then you have to use the font family for the H1. And now you can see the H1 tag this font family has changed but not others. So if you use the inside the universal tag this font family, and the link remains the same, if you use the font family inside the universal tag, then all the CSS, all the text will be applied by this font family. And if you use it for separate styles like H1 or P, or for something else that you will be using for buttons or everything else, then that will be separately. And hey guys, I am done with this video. This is my channel I Love Coding. Please do subscribe and share with your friends, leave comments if you are benefited with this video, and please hit the like button because that gives me much inspiration. I will be uploading these beautiful videos and you will be learning web development faster than any other channel. Don't forget to hit like.